friends, Running Kimono here. So we have a really big moneymaker, just under $10 for this Just for Men hair dye. Special shout out and thank you to GME Coupons over on Instagram. That's where I first saw this deal. Okay, so as you can see with the tags, it's $1.19, so it is 90% off. And the promotion for Just for Men this week is to buy two, get back an $8 register reward. So it's really fantastic. With this clearance, your mileage may vary, and you can ask the cashier to give your products a scan if it's ringing up on clearance, yes or no. But my understanding is that a couple stores I went to where I saw a bunch, I found a bunch, it was still ringing up for full price. So definitely a big, your mileage may vary, but I was able to find quite a bit today of this one product. And you have to do this in store. You can't do it as a curbside pickup. Okay, so grabbing two of these Just for Men hair dyes, that's $2.38. Okay, and then you're going to do a $2 submission to IBOTTA twice, so that's $4 back right there. Plus, you'll get back that $8 register reward for buying two. So it makes it free plus a $9.62 moneymaker. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance or a store register reward, absolutely go for it. And that $8 register reward will print once per transaction. But the key is you have to buy two for it to print. So I'll just give you a quick visual of the $8 manufacturer register reward. Look at the top, manufacturer, $8. Very nice. And over on IBOTTA, I got back my $2 twice as I bought two of them in this transaction. So I got $4 back. So how wonderful is that? So I would go to your store sooner than later. You have nothing to lose. And hey, it's some free hair dye that makes money. Okay, so let's talk about this guy. It was working on a glitch from 9 in the morning till I think about 11, and then it stopped, 11 a.m. Eastern. For a lot of you that were able to get a couple, we're going to talk about the different strategies on how to use it. And if you didn't get in on this deal, it's a dead deal, meaning it's no longer taking place. It was only for a couple hours yesterday, some weird glitch. So definitely, if you want to use it, a lot of people are having issues where if you try to scan it at the register, it just says that they can't accept it, or the cashier might refuse. And if that happens, walk away. Thank them, get your register reward, and walk away. You have the option to wait till next week to use it because you know what, guys? Here's the deal. We have Crest, we have Tampax, we have Huggies that's printing that $5 store register reward. So are they going to refuse register rewards for that week for the $5 increment across the board? No, they're going to have to start accepting it. So it's going to happen next week. You have the option to wait, to walk, or try it my way. Now, to use this store register reward, you actually have to buy $5.01. You can't buy something for $5 on the nose. It has to be $5.01. And how I specifically did this and had a lot of success, I got the cashier to scan my merchandise first, scan my store register reward secondly, and then I punched in my phone number. So it is a weird jog. So if you are used to always getting the cashier to scan your store card right away, you're going to have to do this in a different way. And if they're like, well, I need to scan it right away, then you say, no, could you scan this first because it chokes up my card, or say whatever you need to say, and it will scan perfectly. And I'll show you a couple examples here of it working. Or alternatively, you don't even need to punch in your phone number. So grab something for $5.01, perhaps a box of Kleenex and one caramel. That's what, $5.38. Get the cashier to scan the Kleenex, the caramel, present that $5 store register reward. You'd pay 38 cents and you're done. Do not even scan your store card or punch in your phone number and it will still work. Just to show you two different receipts, as you can see, I got a Bounty for $5.24, and I did that jog of scan the item, scan the coupon, and then I punched in my phone number as that's a sales item for $5.24, and then it dropped it to 24 cents. So it worked, and you could see the 5 off 5 purchase. There's the store register reward. And here's another one where I bought some Fantastic on clearance and then some clearance razors. And then as you can see, 5 off of 5 purchase, thus it's working. And my basket was 2 cents. So I got it right to the wire there, a penny over the 501. But it can't be 5 on the nose or $4.99 or less. It has to be 501 or more. So anything 501 or more. Hopefully that's crystal clear. Now, this booster mysteriously showed up this morning, $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend $5. It's valid from February the 1st to the 28th. Are they trying to apologize for the big mess up yesterday morning? I do not know. But this starts tomorrow, which is Tuesday the 1st, and you have to spend $5 to earn it. And to stack this with another booster, yes, you could use one paper booster with one digital, but to stack two digitals, it will not work. So pick, do you want to do the $5 one or a $20 one first? It's an either or. You can stack this with a paper one, but you cannot stack two digitals together. Okay guys, so I was on a mission today and I did 6 transactions with my 6 $5 store register rewards that were part of the glitch yesterday. So I'm just gonna walk through what I did and so the first little deal that I think is the absolute easiest is with the Bounty, the Charmin, or the Tide. So it is on sale this week for $5.24. You'll grab one of them, bring it to the till, get the cashier to scan the barcode on the product, present the $5 store register reward, then punch in your phone number, and it's gonna go from like $7 or $8.99 down to $5.24, and you'll pay 24 cents for it. So I think that's a very sensible and smart deal. The next little deal that I have is with the Fantastic. This was on clearance along with this little razor kit was on clearance. So looking at the math for this, the Fantastic, the first one was $2.29. The second one rang up for $1.14. And then this little guy is $1.59. So the total for all of that, this actually rang up $2.29, but when you put in your store card number, it rang up BOGO 50% off because that's a promotion this week for Fantastic. So anyhow, ring up all your stuff first, present that $5 coupon, punch in your phone number. The total is $5.02. After the $5 store register reward, it's 2 cents plus tax, which is a really good deal. Okay, so this deal is kind of a ragtag of stuff. We have 2 Just for Men. So they are $1.19 a piece, so that's $2.38. I found 2 clearance deodorants, and this is my favorite. They are, I think, like 98 cents each. So for 2 of them, it was $1.96. I am short, so I grabbed one of these big roll toilet paper towels. So for all of this merchandise, the 2 deodorants, the 2 Just for Men and the 1 big roll, it was $5.34. Got the cashier to scan all 5 items, presented my $5 store register reward coupon, and then I punched in my phone number. It came off perfectly. I paid 34 cents, and then I got back an $8 register reward for Just for Men. Submitted that to IBOTTA and I got back $4, so it made it a really good deal for me. Just to show you, this is what the $8 register reward for Just for Men looks like, and it's a manufacturer register reward. See where my finger is? So it is a little different. And this is a deal that I just shaked and baked 3 times because I found a lot of this Just for Men at one specific store. So I had 3 remaining register rewards, so I did 3 transactions, all separately. So with the Just for Men, $2.38 for the 2, and then $3.99 for the Angel Soft. I know that we have a digital for this, but I forgot to load it because I was in such a rush today, but hey, that stuff is meant to happen sometimes. So the total for all of this was $6.37. Cashier scanned, boom, 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 and then I presented my $5 store register reward. I then punched in my phone number and presented, or I used $1 of Walgreens cash. So I had to pay 37 cents plus the tax, and then this guy printed. And now I have 3 other receipts with the Just for Men, and I will do my IBOTTA submission. Hopefully it resets 3 more times and get back $12 of money from IBOTTA if it resets. So like fingers crossed. Hopefully this video wasn't too confusing. You have the option to get out there. Obviously, you know, test the waters and play it by ear what you can and cannot do. And I would recommend to do that jog of, you know, scanning the merchandise, presenting the $5 store register reward, and then punching in your phone number and just taking it from there. If you want to go later in the week, perhaps that's the way to do it. Or if you just want to forgo it and say, forget it, I don't want the drama, you can also do that. So good luck, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.